Well, I finally walked all the way from the bridge here, up through here, came back down through here, and I don't see any oak trees, mostly sycamore. And maybe this is one, I don't know. It's the only tree differences up here. Anyway, we're going to go back over and cross on the other side. But at least I found where the bridge, the stream goes under the bridge, the road bridge. So we are going to see what it looks like under the street. One more glance around. I don't see any kinds of mushroom remains here. Oh. Jeez. I saw one of these a few weeks ago too, or before, hold on. It's a dead raccoon. I saw one the other. She's got teeth. Teeth are better than mine. Is that a rat? Yeah, it looks like a raccoon. Yeah. Well, that's about it. All right. Let's check this bridge out here. Yeah, it's the second raccoon I found dead. That's more decomposed than the last one, but so here's where this tree. I guess we go up. I guess we go up here. We make it across here. That's it, eh? Let's see here. Whoa! Dang! Now I know what it looks like. Let's turn on the flash. Come on, flash. Come on. Zoom in here. Oh, that's pretty neat. Get up there without slipping. I think we got ourselves a video. Yeah, it ain't my trash. Alright, let's go up on this road here without getting hit. There's another one. Well, we made it. Gonna walk up the next trail here. This is a blacktop toad hopper trail. Hopefully you find some oak. All right, anyway, I think that's it for a video unless I find some interesting mushrooms.